Landcruiser has developed this nasty death wobble at around 60k an hour, and I can't figure out what's going on, so I'll try and catch it on camera and show you, so maybe you can help. But check this out. Alright, so what happens, guys, is you're just driving along, and then once you get to a certain speed, you just feel a shake in the front end, and sometimes you can drive through it and sometimes you can't. It literally shakes that bad that it just rips the steering wheel nearly out of your hand, and you literally have to pull the car over, come to a near complete stop, and then go again. So I just want to try and get it on camera, and I'll mount the GoPro underneath and see what's moving and see if we can figure out what the hell's going on. But right, hopefully we can catch it. It doesn't do it all the time, so this could take a while. It's not playing the game. It's not doing it when I want it to bloody do it. But I'll turn around and see if we can get another go at it. So all the suspension in this car is all still fairly new. It's probably 2 or 3 years old now, but it's all superior engineering, so it's all top shelf stuff, good quality. Yeah, I don't know. I can't figure it out. Everything seems to be tight. The only thing I haven't done is rotate the tyres, so I'll try that. So while we're waiting for it to happen, I suppose now's as good a time as any to press the little like button down the bottom, and if you haven't already, headbutt the subscribe, because in my channel we make videos on Harley Davidson stuff, fishing stuff, four-wheel driving stuff, and we will do some hunting and shooting stuff soon once we get time to get out and about. But yeah, just a bit busy at the moment. But yeah, if you're into that sort of stuff, man, consider smashing that subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss out when I do an upload. Right, back to this shaking bullshit. There we go. There we go, we caught it. That's what happens, guys. And the only way you can stop it is just to pull over, slow right down, and go again. I've got another GoPro mount underneath the bull bar pointing back, so I'm gonna put the camera under there, see if we can get like an underneath point of view and see what the hell is going on. But alright, I'll swap now. That's what I'm talking about. What the hell causes that? Can anyone help? And the only thing I haven't tried, as I think I've already said, is I'm going to rotate the tyres like corner to corner, see if that helps. But failing that, I don't know, everything seems to be tight. Like it's in good condition, man. I look after this car, I don't understand what's wrong. Like everything's tight. I just had all the swivel hubs redone. Like everything's good, dude. Yeah, I don't know, steering stabilizer's still good. Like everything's sweet. If you have any input or help, ideas, tips, suggestions, anything, please put them down in the comments. Yeah, man, I don't know, I really need to sort this out. I am going to go and rotate the tyres, so I'll let you guys know if that fixes the problem, but no idea. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs up. Headbutt the subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one, eh? See ya.